mathematicians, this is Ms. Claude, and today is Friday, September the 11th, 2020. We are going to continue building our knowledge on fractions. We've learned fractions are made up of smaller parts equal to one whole. We've also learned that a fraction has a numerator, which is part of the whole, and the denominator, which is the total parts or the whole. We've also learned that fractions can represent a group or a set of objects or items. We've learned to plot points on a number line that represent fractions. Between 0 and 1, we've learned that there are fractional parts between those numbers. And those fractional parts can be decomposed into unit fractions. We've also learned how to use benchmark fractions to partition our fractions into equal parts, or to partition number lines into equal parts. And we've also learned how halves, fourths, and eighths are equivalent to each other, which we're going to learn more about in the upcoming weeks. So today we are going to continue building on fractions, on unit fractions, and we're going to demonstrate how unit fractions as a sum equation equal one whole. Our objectives for today are: you will know how to compose and decompose fractions into smaller fractions. You will also understand that fractions can be represented as a fractional sum equation. You will be able to sketch, model, demonstrate, decompose